We're actually having a thunderstorm right now, so if you guys were wondering. It's been raining ever since around 4 in the afternoon, so it's been going on for 2 hours. Yeah, Everett has been getting weather reports saying that there is going to be a thunderstorm, and we are having thunder, we are having lightning, we are having a lot of rain. I kind of feel bad for whoever is walking out in this right now. Ayan is actually walking home from her bus in the rain, in the thunder, and then the lightning. I hope she doesn't have to walk under any trees, because if you walk underneath the tree, when it's thundering and there's lightning, it's a bad risk. Got so many thunder and rain. Got so many thunderclaps. My grandmother, when I was little, said, just picture that, to just say that, like, thunder was angels bowling, because I was absolutely terrified of the sound of thunder. I'm not necessarily terrified of thunder now. It's just the big thunderclaps make me very, very nervous. I don't necessarily like loud noises, so yeah. It's very faint. One way to know that a thunderclap is going to happen, for those of you who are afraid of thunder and lightning, whenever a lightning bolt flashes, count the seconds, and whatever clap the thunder occurs on, whatever second that the thunderclap occurs on, that's how many thousand feet it's away. Closest it's been is about 2,000 feet. I hope the weather stops soon. It's been going on for 2 hours now. I've got some stuff I need to finish up, but hopefully the weather gets better soon. Alright, the video ends here.